Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh, and today we are going to discussing about how to run our Python script using our PyCham. See in the PyCham how to install and all I show in the previous video, and just you can come after watching that installation you can come to in this video. Okay, and why required for PyCharm to execute, and it will provide the good UI to execute for your Python files, and even we can able to use for Eclipse IDE, IntelliJ, or some other interpreters we can able to use and we can able to execute. Okay, for Python by default it is recommended for PyCharm. Okay, in this PyCharm we can able to use PyCharm community editor, and once you open this one we can able to see for how to create our project and how to create our PyCharm in the file for Python and how to run and all we see in this video. See how basically our Eclipse or IntelliJ is presented the same format of data. It is presented in the top of the headers, file, edit, view, navigate, code, refactor, and run tools, Visual Studio, and all like this. It is presented Windows related information it will provide here. Okay, and by default it is showing some let me my code is different one, and here we are going to file new project. I'm going to use for demo basic project. Okay, and after you can choose for new environment using this one only, virtual environment, and it will create for basic project into a PyCharm projects location. Okay, when you want then you can directly go on there. Here it will take for which is the Python version you declared, that it will take for Python exe. Okay, creating the project in this window only, it will create and it will download for all related virtual information environment everything into that particular location. Once it is downloaded then we can able to create for our directory and we can able to work. This is similar to IntelliJ UI, how the IntelliJ is working, like seeing that entire view, right? Almost similar to that only. And even you can able to use for IntelliJ adding for Python plugin. Once you add the plugin you can able to work for there also. Who are familiar for that, you can there also you can guys can try for that. And now I'm going to right click in the project and new, and here is the directory. Create the directory. It is basic demo. Okay, inside the demo directory I'm going to create for file, that is Python file, and there is like Python file, Python unit test, and Python stub is presented. Now we are going to using for Python file only. I'm using for first program. Okay, now see whenever you using for Java, C sharp languages, anything, it is by default when you using for creating the file, not the file, it is class. When you are going to create the classes and all, by default it is like a class and we can able to choose and we can able to enter, right? Here without class also we can able to do it like this, print hello world. Okay, without any ending point, and we can able to without semicolon we can able to do it. And now running, right click, and you can able to run your first program, or else use for shift control shift F10 to run your program. Once you run here you can able to see hello world is came. There is a one way to execute here, and another one is interpreter. An interpreter by default it will go for your location, which is basic path and Python space basic demo slash first program.py, and here also you can able to see hello world printed. There are two ways we can able to. One is using run here, or else we can able to use terminal and terminal to run for your Python file. There's a two ways we can able to run your program, and also there is a top position, there is a run. There also you can able to run for run, or else another one is control shift F10 is the one to run your program. And if you need anything you can able to see here. And if you want to add any other plugins, then you need to go for files, settings, project interpreter, plugins place. You can add for some plugins, some additional settings. If you want, then you can able to go for project interpreter, and there you can able to add for some libraries here, packages. What are the things you want, click the plus symbol, you can add there, and you can able to reuse to in your project. This all about you can able to check into here. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please like me, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share with friends and colleagues. Thank you.